Alright guys, well I am back on Frankenstroke project. Got a crew cab frame here. I just wanted to compare some measurements. So what I did is I took a measurement up there of the frame that is up there, and I got a measurement from out to out, from there to there, of 44¼ inches. I'm going to compare that to this one just to see how we look. You ready for this? That's where we're at on the other one. And that's where we should be. So somebody sprung that frame by 4 inches plus. So I'm definitely going to have some work involved in straightening that guy up. I don't understand the things people do. Alright, what do you say we see what we can do here? This is not a real heavy duty puller, so we'll see what kind of progress we can make with this, and if this doesn't work, then I'll pull out the 2-ton double pull cable puller here. See what we can do. Got a chain fall in there too, I guess I could use. But I figured we'd start gently. See what happens. Well, we made a little bit of progress here. It does look better, however, this side is not moving at the same rate that the other side is. Largely because it's got that bracing on the inside of the frame for the steering box. So that side is a little more reluctant to move. This one I think is about where it should be. Maybe gone just a little bit too far. I can certainly take it back out. May have to get a little bit creative to try and get that side pulled over. But I think we're down to about 1.5 inches to go. Yeah, about 1 inch. So this frame horn needs to go over about 1 inch. So went a little better than I thought it might. We'll just have to see if we can go a little farther. Alright, well, we're getting close. Not quite there yet. I think I've got about 3/4 inch to go on that side. But we're getting there. I don't know if you can see from the time lapse or not, but what I did is I've tied kind of back through the core support, and we're going to tie back to that engine cradle. That way we're just pulling on this one side and not overdoing it on the other side. It's got to go just a little bit more. It's about out of gas with that puller that I was using, so I got my cable puller out of the truck, and what the heck is this? How does this happen when it's in the truck by itself? I've got another hook here, but it's not the right one that goes on there, so this is the kind of stuff that drives me crazy. It's probably in the bottom of the toolbox somewhere. Whatever. So I gotta get this thing fixed, and then we'll try again. Alright, finally, back in business. I found the hook, I found the bolt, the nut was gone. So it's an M8. I had one, luckily. I guess it's better that this happened here at home than on the side of the road somewhere. So 10 minutes later, back in business. Let's try this again. Alright, well, we're there. Got the correct dimension now. The top rail looks pretty good and straight. Same there. It's a little twisted. I may end up working with that just a little bit more to try and straighten everything out, but I'm satisfied that we're going to be able to move ahead. So, making a little bit of progress here anyhow. Thanks for watching.